Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a set of spanners, a screwdriver, and a clean cloth. It's crucial to work in a well-lit area to avoid any mishaps. Start by unplugging the Silvercrest SKMC 1200 from the mains. Safety is paramount, and working with the appliance powered off will prevent any accidents. Once unplugged, place the appliance on a stable surface, preferably a workbench or table. Next, locate the screws on the motor casing. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. As you remove the casing, take a moment to inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, it may be worth seeking a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the casing is off, you will have access to the motor. Use your clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This step is essential as it ensures that the lubrication will be effective and not mixed with dirt. Now let's move on to the lubrication process. You will need a suitable lubricant, preferably one designed for electric motors. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the bearings and any moving parts. Be careful not to over-lubricate, as this can attract more dust and grime. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your appliance serviced without any hassle. After applying the lubricant, manually rotate the motor to ensure that the lubricant is evenly distributed. This will help in reducing friction and improving the overall efficiency of the motor. Once you are satisfied with the lubrication, it's time to reassemble the motor. Carefully place the casing back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to prevent any vibrations during operation. Before plugging the appliance back in, double-check that there are no tools left inside the casing. It's a good practice to ensure everything is in order. If you're unsure about any step, remember that we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions about your appliance maintenance. Finally, plug the Silvercrest SKMC 1200 back into the mains and test it to ensure it's running smoothly. Listen for any unusual noises that may indicate a problem. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our service includes no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get the help you need. By following these steps, you can effectively lubricate your Silvercrest SKMC 1200 motor, ensuring it operates efficiently for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.